Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sabrina and I'm back with another Excel tutorial for you. Now, if this is your first time here and you're looking to develop your Excel skills, then start now by subscribing and hitting that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you some simple formulas that you can use in Excel, where you can use Excel as a calculator. So what I've done is I've just basically created a very quick table which has a list of 4 main calculator keys. So the first one here is a little plus icon, which is of course used to add values in a calculator. The second one is a little dash key, which is a minus key, and that is of course used to subtract values in a calculator. The third one is the cross icon there, which is used to multiply values in a calculator. And then the last one is divide. Okay, so in column C, I've specified what key you would use in Excel to carry out those calculations. So I'm just going to go through each one of them and give you an example of each as well. So let's start off with the first one, which is addition. Okay, so in Excel, you would use exactly the same key as you would in a calculator. Okay, so it's basically a plus key. And in the column next to this one, it just gives you a description and describes what that key does. So this plus key here in Excel is used in a formula to add up numbers. So for example, if we go into column E here, we'll do our examples here. So what you would do is, as always, whenever you enter a formula, you always start with an equal sign. So you would type equal. You would then type in a number. Okay, so for example, 6, and then you would type a plus icon, okay, or a plus key, and then you just put in the other values. So let's just put 2, okay, and then if you want to add up more values, you would put in another plus icon there, and then put in the next number, for example, 5, okay, and that's it. So you just basically need to start off with an equal sign, enter your values, and make sure you put in the plus key in between so that the formula knows that it needs to add up these values. And once you've finished entering in your values, you then press the enter key on your keyboard, and that will return the result. Okay, so you can see there it's returned the result of 13. All right, and I'm just going to center this. Okay, let's put it in the middle like so. Okay, let's just do the rest as well, align it in the same way. Okay, so that's adding values in Excel. Now the next one, okay, is subtracting numbers. So in Excel, you would again just use the same minus key as you're used to using on a calculator. So that's basically a dash icon or a dash key on your keyboard. So for example, again, you would start off with an equal key. So you would type equal, and then you would type in the value. So for example, let's do 50, and then you would enter in the little dash key, which is your subtract, your minus key, and then you'd put in your other values. So for example, let's put in 10. Okay, so you'd put in your value there, okay, and then you'd put in your little dash key to tell the formula that it needs to subtract these values, all right? And then once you've finished entering your values in, you would press the enter key on your keyboard again, and that would return the result, which in this case is 40. Okay, so that's subtracting. The third one is multiplication. So how would you multiply numbers in Excel? Now here, the key is a bit different as compared to the calculator key. So in Excel, when you want to multiply numbers, you would use the asterisk key on your keyboard, okay? So what you would do is, again, start off with an equal sign. So type equal. And then say we wanted to do 9 times 5. So you would do 9, you would put in the value, and then you would put in the multiplication key, which for Excel is the asterisk. So we put in that key in there. Okay, and then you would type in the other value, which in this case is 5. So here the formula is reading 9 times 5. Okay, so when I press the enter key on my keyboard, that should return the result, which should be 45. Perfect. Okay, so that's the key that you need to use for multiplying. And then for dividing, when you want to divide numbers, again, the Excel key is slightly different there. It's a / arrow, okay, which is different to your calculator key that you're used to. So you would use a / arrow. So what you do there is, for example, let's say we wanted to do 45 divided by 5. So again, you would start off with an equal key. You would then type in your first value, which is 45, and then you would type in the divide key, which is the /, and then you would put in the second value, which is in our case 5. Okay, so once you've entered your values, you then press enter on your keyboard again, and that would return the result, which is number 9 here. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to, go through the main 4 calculations that we are very used to in our normal lives, which we often use through a calculator, but you can actually use Excel as well to do these calculations, these basic calculations. Okay, so just remember, to add, you're using the plus. To subtract, you use the dash on your keyboard. To multiply, you're using asterisks there. And then to divide, you use the / key. Okay. All right, so I hope that's helped. If it has, please do like and share the video so that it can reach out to more people. And do consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on any new videos that are uploaded. And again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.